Today is the start of National Inclusion Week, and this year's theme is Time to Act, the Power of Now.
Sky Sports News travelled to Essex to meet a team called Autistic FC, whose vision is to make football more inclusive. But where did the idea come from? Our reporter Daniel Khan found out.
Hi, my name's Charlie and I created this football club.
This is Autistic FC. A team open to everyone and created as a safe space for kids with autism and additional needs.
So I was just in my back garden and then I just had a pop in my mind. I was like, I really wish I could make a football team for people that have been struggling at other clubs, and here we are today from my back garden to here.
Our biggest buzzword is inclusion. We want these children to come here, feel part of a team and feel welcomed, but also as well so they can feel that they can be themselves.
No one bats an eyelid when a child maybe needs to walk off for a moment, have a minute and go back in, or they need to wear long trousers, they don't want to wear football shorts. That's all accepted here.
The team have created a supportive environment where the kids and parents all enjoy coming down every week.
I struggled at clubs myself, and then I created Autistic FC and I really enjoyed it and it was really fun.
Every child is different. Autism is a spectrum, so there's not just a one-size-fits-all difference. So it's just the fact that everybody can be themselves here, not judged at all.
When I found this football club, it was much easier because everyone here is autistic and I'm autistic too, and it makes it much easier.
What is lovely actually is coming here from the start. You see other kids that came here from the start, and you've seen the progress that they've made too, and it's a really supportive environment.
Everyone's included in this club because I feel like I'm just part of it as well.
I'm doing football with my AFC top and I got really new shoes and I really like playing goals and just everything. My name's Leo and I'm 6.
And with the team continuing to grow, what's next for Autistic FC?
What we want to try and do is get our children progressing up through the club. When they get to a certain age, we can get them onto coaching courses, things like that. So the older the children, we can get some qualifications under their belt and get them coaching the younger kids as well.
Our dream eventually, Charlie's dream, is to have an autistic football league so that throughout the UK, children can compete with other autistic football teams.
Starting off as just a 9-year-old's dream, Autistic FC continues to break barriers and hopes to increase representation of kids with additional needs across the UK.
1, 2, 3,
Daniel Khan, Sky Sports.
Oh, that is just brilliant.
Yeah, it
Good
is.
work from little Charlie there as well. Okay.
Hi News Round, I'm Charlie and I play for Autistic FC. It's a football club especially for people with autism. Let's go see what it's all about.
What makes Autistic FC so special is everyone's so friendly and it's such a nice environment to be in.
They always include you in the fun activities that we do.
Well, the other teams just didn't give me any options to feel included. They never passed the ball and stuff.
They don't judge you for anything because everyone has the same type of autism.
My favourite thing about Autistic FC is making new friends.
My favourite thing about Autistic FC is having fun and playing with my friends.
I started Autistic FC to give autistic young people a chance to play football as a team and improve their skills and confidence.
Autistic FC has helped my confidence a lot.
Oh yeah, it has helped me with my confidence, because before, like, I wouldn't really talk to people, but now I do.
It just helps me hone my skills more in just moulding me into a better footballer. It has made me feel confident more. When I was at school, I joined a football club and I didn't feel confident. So then AFC's just brought that back.